All right, we're doing some ribs today. I gotta start this up quick, but I got my signals in. I'm gonna start this first, and then set up the signals. I got the billows in one of the holes. I think I'm gonna have to re-drill that because I can't put my pan back in. I'll do that next time. So I'm gonna leave this pan out this time, I guess. Put that probe there, and let her rip. We're sitting at 203, steadily climbing. I'm gonna just throw this meat on, and hopefully it doesn't overshoot too bad. Close her up. Temperature is 54 degrees outside now. It hit 300 earlier, but I said it's 280 now. I think it's happy here. The fan's like kicking on and off. I haven't opened the grill because it loses temp super fast and takes pretty long to come back. So I'm gonna check on it in half an hour. I can look down the vent holes though. Look at that meat. Pretty cool. I had a spare rib earlier. Pretty tasty. I think I'm gonna do that Chinese rub to a whole rack next time. 283, no fan has been kicking on. It overshot to 290 earlier. But I'm just throwing random crap on here now. I haven't opened this since an hour ago, but we're opening it now. Baste these real quick. Throw these taters on. I had one of these spares earlier. Rather tasty. But let's cook these taters up. Just like that. Temperature dropped to 164. Climbing back up. Let you see how fast it comes or slow. Still no fan. I don't understand when this thing's supposed to work. Maybe it knows that I opened it. but she's coming up. These are just some potatoes left over from Thanksgiving. Figure I might as well throw them on. But we're almost at target temp. I'll just let you keep watching this. Fan just kicked on. Yeah, it started pulsing now. Whatever algorithms they're doing works decent. I haven't set up the app, so I don't know what it's doing. I just know it's somewhat holding temp. But yeah, pretty much back up. Let's see if it overshoots. Fan stopped pulsing. I'm pretty sure it's going to overshoot to 290 and come back down. That's what it did last time. Slowing down. I'm gonna assume it's gonna drop again, back down to target temp, and it will start blowing again. I don't think it'll. Oh, here it goes up still. Whatever. I'm gonna stop recording. Oh wow. Why are they so soft already? Starting to bend. I don't understand. I guess I should probe the meat. Pretty bendy. But these things look pretty good. tend to this fire. 2 minutes. Grill open. She got down to 100 or 90, whatever it was. But the ribs are bendy, but they're not pulling back. I don't know what to trust. I guess I'm gonna stick a probe in it in a second. I'm gonna get some sauce ready in case it's definitely ready off. Butter. Sauce. Thinning agent. I never put a cold sauce on. I usually try to heat it up. But that's all I'm doing this time. Is that right there.
Snook season.
We at 170s on his ribs. Straight honey. And that concoction I made. So hot. Switch to straight honey on these. Straight honey. Splash with some pineapple juice. the potatoes. Close her up. I've had to add so much charcoal. This is the last adding of the sauce. The sauce is the boss. Shit, I forgot to bring the pan out. These small ones are done for sure. Yeah. Straight 5 hours into this shit, and I think we're done. Little bendy bend. This one needs more time probably. This one's done for sure. Wrap this up from a buddy. Let me give this a little more time. But these bones are starting to pull. So those are good. I think this needs probably another 20 minutes. Six hours in. Last rack coming off. This was crazy long. But they look pretty good. I went through a lot of fucking lump. I'm gonna say over half this bag is gone. 15-pound bag. But yeah, I'm gonna let this rest and eat them.